short, like,
Right. Hood's coming off.
Yeah. But I didn't know it until, you know, it was...
We got legendary Mark Tracy in the house.
Well, God bless you, my son.
Woo!
Yeah, but it was a mess. They came in, counted everything, and took a bunch back.
That's not a trap nut in there, is it?
It should be.
It should be, so I got to get in there and hold
No,
it
it's
up?
trapped on its. It's got the.
The upper's definitely coming out.
It's got the little sheet metal thing. It's like a thread cert.
Do you think it's just spinning?
I've
pretty good.
seen them where they do start spinning.
This one seems.
So we're doing this to get to the radiator, right?
Well, that and it's going to make it a lot easier to do all the other stuff we're going to do.
In my pocket. Look at it.
All right, boys, almost got the hood off.
You're not even giving them the ratchet.
Oh no, they got to do it the hard way today. And I didn't go get the cordless ratchet out of the truck either.
Yeah.
It's like, no, you got to do this like it's 1963 and we don't have anything nice.
I'd honestly rather do it by hand than getting it ourselves. Okay, hold on.
Oh yeah,
Hold on, we got one bolt left.
for the first time, yeah, but
I didn't know it was coming off.
when I do the same thing over and over,
No.
yeah, I'm just,
You want it quick.
yeah, because that could take an hour.
That abuses your body.
Yeah, because I can get to the point where I'll take an hour and I can still charge for 3. That's even better.
I got one. I'm trying to see what
Hood's off.
Were they okay on the backside?
All right.